Thanks, Mike, very much. Let's have a look at 6:42 at the weather, and Matt's got details for us this morning. How's it looking, Matt?
Hi there, Charlie. Well, thankfully for some eastern areas, not as wet as it was yesterday. We saw around two or three weeks worth of rain in the space of one day, and for some, just the space of a few hours. But there will be some further rain at times today, and mainly across western areas in the form of showers. A fairly breezy day towards the south and west too, but that wind, once again, is a fairly mild one. We start on a warm note. The reason? Low pressure's out towards the southwest of us, so around it we're bringing in the winds all the way from Iberia and also France. This front here, that's what brought the heavy rain in eastern parts of England yesterday. It's producing quite a damp and drizzly start across central and northern Scotland, but you can see the showers developing across England and Wales, and over the last few hours some pretty intense and thundery ones working through the East Midlands in towards South Yorkshire and Lincolnshire right now. They will work northwards, fizzle a little bit, and then some eastern areas after a misty, foggy start. We'll only see a few showers through the day, a lot of dry weather to come here, but showers will become more abundant across central western parts of England and Wales, spreading into southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland. Much of central Scotland will brighten up, staying damp in the north of Scotland, breezy here. Strongest winds today though, Wales and the southwest. It could be gusting 40, maybe 50 miles an hour at times. That will temper the feel of the day somewhat, but overall for the stage in October, temperatures above where they should be. Now into this evening and overnight, we continue that general southerly drift. Showers pushing across many areas through the first half of the night. Some heavy thundery ones down towards the southeast corner of England to take us into the early hours of tomorrow morning. And we start tomorrow with lots of cloud across Scotland and Northern Ireland, outbreaks of rain. Another mild start here, and probably it's going to be one of the drier days of the weekend if you're in England and Wales, because through into Saturday, another area of low pressure approaching. Little ridge of high pressure ahead of it, and it's that which will keep things dry. A lovely bright start for much of England and Wales. It will stay that way through much of the day, brightening up through southern Scotland, south east and Northern Ireland, but elsewhere plenty of clouds, some outbreaks of rain or drizzle. Late into the afternoon and evening, Wales and southern England will see the cloud increase, and we'll start to see some outbreaks of rain push in here. But notice the temperatures once again climbing a little bit relative to the past couple of days in Scotland, and staying on the mild side for most of you. And then through into Sunday, the next area of low pressure pushes its way in. Not going to be a washout of a day by any means, but for England and Wales, there'll be a batch of heavy rain. Maybe they'll rumble of thunder with that, working its way northwards, turning drier and brighter for a time before more showers pack into the south later on. Scotland, Northern Ireland should probably have some of the driest weather in the morning. Some outbreaks of rain into the afternoon, but even here, some will stay dry throughout the day. Sunday stays on the mild side, around 14 to 19 degrees, and it really sets the theme for next week too, as we continue to push in some very warm air, really, for the stage in what will be late October. Further showers and thunderstorms around, though low pressure remains on the scene, but as I said, in those sunnier moments, it will feel quite warm. That's how it's looking. Charlie, back to you.
Matt, thanks very much.